Thank you for watching. This is Doug's Pro Classics. Today I'm at North Weald car meet organised by Steve of Steve's Breakfast Club. Great meet. So I've come today in the Escort Mexico. I've been drawn to this absolutely incredible Escort twin cam owned by Don. I've been talking to Don about the car, but it just seems like a really good story to share because Don's had the car for a little while. So Don, if you wouldn't mind, could you just let us know how long you've had it, maybe what you've done to the car, and why it's still going and why it's still here, if you don't mind.
No worries.
Thank you.
Right, I've had the car 42 years. Been off the road for a long time. Rebuilt in took 3 years from 2009 to 2012.
Yeah.
It's been back on the road ever since.
Brilliant.
And been driving perfectly.
Yeah.
Enjoy
Amazing.
it every time I take it out.
Yeah. How often do you get it out? Do you take it out very often?
Whenever I fancy, yeah.
Yeah.
Rain or shine, it doesn't matter. Took it to
Nice.
France last year on a
Did you?
600 mile ride.
I'd love to. Yeah.
So the Leon Classic, Leon Historic, which is a great car, mate, for
Yeah.
the weekend.
Yeah. It's great you've got the confidence to do that.
It
So
was,
because you've owned a car for such a long time, you know
It
it's
was-
going to make it.
It was a little bit worrying in the first place when we went, but
Yeah.
by the time we got rolling, happy days.
How did it perform?
Great
There you go.
weekend, yeah.
Yeah,
It
well,
was really
amazing.
good.
Amazing. And you were saying to me, just as we was chatting, that when you stripped it back,
Complete bare shell.
bare shell, zinced it.
Zinc, had it
plated it.
sandblasted, zinc coated, and then painted.
Yeah.
Had the engine rebuilt by a CTM.
Okay.
And it's been in the car for 10, 12 years and been sweet as a nut.
Yeah. Perfect. Have you got any other big trips planned in it?
Not at the moment,
No?
no. I'm going back to the historic this year, but I'm going in a friend's Porsche.
Okay.
So yeah, just for another weekend away.
Yeah. That's amazing. That's brilliant. Like, I've never have done, but I'd love to own a car for that amount of time. Do you know what I mean? That is incredible.
It's just one of them things that it's just
Yeah.
happened.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
it's the right decision.
Yeah, it's worked out all right.
That's brilliant. Lovely, thank you. If I could just grab that. Lovely. Right, so thank you so much, Don. I really appreciate that. That's really good. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. If you know anyone that you think might be vaguely interested, please just share the channel. That'd be really good. I'm going to do a walk around video of this amazing car now. Keep safe and happy motoring. Thank you.